Emergent AI tutorial, beginner's step-by-step guide to building AI apps. Hey guys, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. If you've ever had a great idea for a web app or a mobile app, but felt completely blocked because you didn't know how to code, set up databases, or write backend APIs, you are going to love what we're looking at today. So we are breaking down Emergent AI, an all-in-one platform where you can literally describe what you want to build in plain English. And the AI handles the front-end design, back-end code, and deployment for you. So all the heavy lifting it does for you. Whether you want to build a fitness booking app, or an e-commerce order form, or a full AI SaaS tool, Emergent builds in minutes right inside your browser. And of course, guys, if you want to try Emergent for yourself, you can just click my link in the video description to get free credits and start building AI-powered applications today. And in this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the entire platform step by step, from dashboard setup to live app customization and deployment. Let's get into it. Okay, and this takes us, guys, to a simple first section: dashboard tour, account settings, and understanding credits. So when you log in into Emergent for the first time, you are greeted with a super clean dark mode dashboard. So I'm actually using dark mode with this extension. Let me see if I turn it off. No, it's actually in dark. Great. Well, better for the eyes, guys. So look up at the top left header bar. You can see your active project tabs. Like, for example, as you can see, I have this Neon Fitness Hub and Mobile Gym Elite that I've previously created when I use the service. This will allow you to jump between different tab builds effortlessly. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon right over here to open your account settings drawer. Then under account settings, which you can open right over here, you can see your account email, profile name, phone number for alerts, and your current personal plan status, which, well, starts on free, of course, if you haven't clicked in our link yet. Then, guys, we also have credit usage. So go here, you go to, also in the settings, you go here, and Emergent gives you full transparency over your project balance. You get a daily refresh of free credits, so it's 10 credits per day, and it breaks down your exact credit consumption, showing you how much each AI agent, call, or app iteration cost down to 2 decimal places. So for example, as you can see, I was creating some test apps. As you can see, something on June 9, June 16th, and in here, so I have, well, balance is 10. I used 5, I have 4 remaining. And also, as you can see, you can track what you've done. So my Gym Elite, which is this one right here, Gym Elite, I have spent, let me see, account settings. I have spent, let me see, 5 credits on it, right? So depending on the complexity of your project, you might spend, of course, a little more. So don't forget to grab that free plan with our link. So this transparency is great because you always know how many credits you have left before committing to a larger build. Okay, section number 2, which is web app versus mobile app and prompting basics. So now let's head back to the main home dashboard right here to start building. So right in the center, you will see the core prompt box under the title Start with 1 prompt. You can change everything later. It can say a little bit of a different phrase here. So notice the 2 main tab options directly above the text box, web and mobile. So best, the web app is going to be best for desktop landing pages, client portals, directories, or web platforms. Emergent even provides one-click prompt ideas, like, for example, directory site for cafes in a city, or inventory tracker for a jewelry store, or digital menu for a coffee shop. And the second one we have is mobile app. So switches the underlying layout engine to optimize specifically for mobile screen dimensions. Here you can get prompt ideas like booking app for a personal trainer or lead capture app for a event booth. So guys, the pro tip from prompting is as follows. When typing into the prompt box, be as descriptive as you like. Mention your ideal color scheme, for example, dark charcoal with neon green accents. Also core features, say 3-step booking form and a trainer carousel. And target audience. But don't worry about being perfect. Emergent's AI agent will automatically fill in technical gaps for you. Alright guys, and I will just create this mobile app and I will use this prompt. As you can see, it's quite big and detailed, but just like I told you, you can be as detailed as you wish. Just make sure that you have enough credits to generate. Alright, and when you get your prompt and ready to submit, just click enter right here. And you will be taken to this interface here where we can now generate and of course edit. Alright guys, so also as you can see, as I'm starting to generate, as my prompt is already in, Agent has some questions for me. So what kind of training programs would you like highlighted by default in the interactive program grid? So let me just type in, for example, calisthenics. There you go. And next. So would you like to like the lead intake form to include a fitness level selector? Yes, of course. Submit. And now just let it think and generate. So Emergent opens up, as you can see, this split screen workspace environment to start building in real time. And now a little breakdown of the interface here. So the left panel contains agent chat and devlog. So on the left here, you will see a front row seat to your AI developer agent, Neo, going to work. You'll see Neo structure the fast API backend, set up a MongoDB persistence with motor for lead collection, style the dark charcoal background and neon green accents, and write the logic for our multi-step lead model. And before showing us the app, Neo runs 100% automated testing checks across the front-end UI flows and back-end API endpoints to make sure there are 0 broken buttons or routes. So as you can see, a lot of stuff is now happening on the left here while Neo is thinking. Okay, and what about the right panel? So the right panel is the live interactive preview. So why it's not available yet is because the app is not generated enough yet to show you the results. So just give it a bit of time and you will surely get your preview. So on the right here, your live app will appear. And after it generates, you can look at how clean this stands out. Alright, as you can see, now we have this phone, a frame, and soon we will have our buttons generated inside. So there you go. Look at how clean this stands out. So we have sticky glass morphic navigation bar, high impact hero banner with active member counters, filterable workout cards for strength and conditioning, and a sleek claim-free pass button. So when you click this button, the 3-step intake model opens right up, collecting goals and training frequency seamlessly. Right, and now section number 4, iterating, forking, and developer controls. So what if you want to tweak the design or add extra features after seeing the preview? You don't have to touch a single line of code. So look down at the bottom left of your workspace, where it says Manage Neo right here, and simply tell Neo what you want to change in plain English. So for example, type in something like this. Don't forget that I have 3.8 free credits remaining, and send. Right, and then Neo will process the update, write the new code, retest the app, and update your live preview window automatically. And if you look at the bottom toolbar underneath that chat box, you will have a fork button, which is right here. If you want to experiment with a drastic design change without messing up your main build, you can just click fork. But make sure to firstly wait for generation, because as you can see, it's not available while Neo is thinking. Right, and this will create a duplicate branch so you can test new ideas completely safely. Then we have the GitHub connection, which is the second button. You can sync your app repository directly to your GitHub account whenever you're ready to inspect the raw code. Alright, next section is managing integrations, authentication, and admin routes. So just click on Manage here, and we can now talk. So you can just turn this front-end landing page or an app into a fully functional business app. At the top right of the Workspace preview button, you switch to the Manage. Then under Integrations, Emergent gives you one-click setup options for critical real-world tools. So we have payments. You can connect Stripe, PayPal, or Razorpay to start charging for gym memberships or program downloads directly on your page. Next, we have authentication too. So you can just toggle on Emergent Managed Google Sign-In or standard email and password login so members can create accounts. Then we have email and messaging. You can connect a resend or send grid. So whenever a lead fills out your 3-step intake form, an automated confirmation email pings their inbox instantly. And also, guys, remember that /admin root we requested in our prompt. So if you type /admin at the end of your preview URL, you get instant backend dashboard displaying a live data table of all incoming leads stored inside your Mongo database. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. When you're completely happy with your application and ready to launch, publishing to the web takes literally 2 seconds. So you will look up where it says Upgrade Plan, you will have a Publish button. And Emergent deploys your application to a live, shareable URL immediately. If you plan on building multiple applications or need higher capacity for your client projects, you can just click Upgrade Plan right over here. Right, and standard plan retails for $20 a month, but Emergent regularly runs a $1 promo for your first month. And this will unlock 100 credits per month, mobile and web deployments, and full code ownership with GitHub exports. And Pro Plan 2, designed for agency builders and power creators who need large credit pools and multi-agent workflows. We'll discuss pricing in a separate video. So that's it. That's all there is to it, guys. Emergent built a full stack responsive web application with a live database and admin panel in under 5 minutes. So if you're ready to bring your own software or app ideas to life today without writing code from scratch, don't forget to use my link down below in the description to grab your free credits and start building for free. So if this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more straight to the point AI breakdowns, and see you soon, guys.